Hey guys, running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today's video, we're going to talk about the Dollar General, the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 to get a $30 of gain basket and $10 of instant savings. It does not get any better than that. So we're going to talk about the mechanics of this. If you have the following digital coupons, there's going to be a lot of opportunity for some great deals. So a couple of the rules: on Saturday, March the 13th, that's when you will have the greatest amount of savings with the $30 of gain merch to get that $10 of savings. If you are going to go before Saturday, it will be an extra $5 because the 5 off of 25 is only on that Saturday. And let's always make sure to scan items to ensure that that 5 off of 30 is attaching. That is critical. Pay attention when you're in the store that you're grabbing the right products. Use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure that 5 off of 30 is attaching. Take some notes. While you're in there, like an old-fashioned pad of paper and pen is always smart to make sure that you're 30 on the nose. And any issues you have, don't be shy to void your transaction. And just to show you that, yes, the stack does in fact work, sometimes over on my Instagram, if you wish to follow me, I will post little photos saying, hey, it's working. Oh, this is not working. Just to let you know. But sometimes when you can get a $30 basket for $5 and some change, I mean, that's what it's absolutely about, especially if you love the Gain line. And I know a lot of you just swear by Gain. You think it's better than Tide and all the other detergents because it is king. I love Gain too. It's a really great line in the P&G. So yeah, it works. And I do post things here and then over on my Instagram. So one thing I want to talk about before we dive into the deals is I was in Dollar General last weekend and I noticed a lot of merchandise in the clearance section that was neatly organized, and I'm like, this is staging for another clearance event. I knew it. I could see it. I visited 2 different stores and all of the stuff in the clearance section was identical. And the second store I visited, I said to the cashier, I'm like, hey, when's your next clearance event? And she's like, I don't know anything about that. And then she winked. So is it going to be at sometime this month towards the end? Is it going to be next month? Will it be May? I don't know. But the staging is a lot of stuff. And I'm thinking it's going to be sooner than later. When I do get more information about this, I'll let you know. But maybe walk through your clearance section and see what they might have. And of course, I'll make more clearance videos and then talk about POG as well. But this is looking pretty cool, so I just wanted to share. Okay, deal number 1, 100% digital. And all digital coupons are of a one-time use. So if you use this last week, it's once per store card. So we're going to need the 5 off of 30 along with the 5 off of 25 for this first basket. We're going to grab 2 of these Febreze Air Effects. If you want to get the small spaces, they're also $3. You may do so. Please make sure that it has the Gain name on the can, just to give you a closer view. They have like 3 or 4 different ones. This one's called Moonlight Breeze. If you want to scan at home, feel free. And this is the stack that we're looking for, guys. The 5 off of 30 has to attach to everything, and then see that 3 off of 2. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, the next item that we're going to grab is this Big Mama for $13.50, which is the 51 count of the Gain Fling. So it comes in this container and there's a lot of pods in there. And then we have this wonderful $3 coupon that showed up last Sunday. So please make sure that you have that one loaded for this little dealio. I mean, how generous is that? We're going to grab one of these detergents for $6.95. There's a whole bunch of items that you can grab, like dryer sheets or fabric softener. I'm going with detergent. Why not? We have this $2 coupon that showed up on Sunday. So load that one at the very least. And yeah, we're going to use it for this deal. And then we're going to grab 2 of these guys for $2 a pop. There's a whole bunch of different dish soaps. This is the one that I had barcode if you want to scan. Now, one of my accounts had $1 off a dish soap. Only one though. So if you have this one, this would be a super item to throw in. And then so looking at the math for this little basket, guys, 2 of the Febreze Air Effects with the Gain scent, they're $3 a pop, so that's 6. 1 Gain Flings, 51 count is $13.50. 2 Gain dish soaps at $2 each, that's $4. And then 1 Gain detergent for $6.95. Adding all of that up together, that's a total of $30.45. if you want to punch in your phone number at the beginning or while the cashier is scanning stuff, however you wish, I don't think it really affects it. So anyhow, punch in your phone number. The total is $30.45. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $9 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $11.45 for the 6 items. It shakes each product out to $1.90 each. That's kind of amazing. If you do not have that dollar off for the Gain dish soap, but you have one of these from the Retail Me Not of February the 14th, you can throw one of these in for $3.95 with that dollar coupon, or alternatively just get one of these and forgo the coupon and it'll be an extra $1 on your basket. Okay guys, next deal, 100% digital. We need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30, along with the bigger sister, which is the 5 off of 25. Again, this deal is for Saturday. That's what I'm encouraging you to do it. First item that we're going to grab is 2 of these little cuties for $5 each. So it's a plug and an oil by Febreze with the Gain scent. And then we're going to need this, which is the 3 off of 2. And yes, it is in fact attaching to said product. So how lovely is that? And then we're going to grab one of these for $13.50, so the 51 count of the Gain Flings. We have a $3 coupon, which is really a generous one. And then we're also going to grab, because I have problems with dryer sheets, one of these for $6.95. And the $2 coupon is attaching to that. It's for the larger products. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the Gain with Febreze oil, so those little plug kits, they're $5 a pop. So for 2 of them, that's $10. 1 Gain dryer sheet 200 count is $6.95, and then 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50. Adding all of that up, guys, that's $30.45. You're going to punch in your phone number, obviously. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $12.45 for the 4 products, shaking it out to $3.11 per product. Okay, the last deal that we have is with paper and digital coupons. We're going to need the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25, along with the 5 off of 30. And again, we're trying to do this deal on a Saturday, so you're going to need these 2 boosters and also digital coupons, one-time use per store card. So the first item that we're going to grab is 4 of these guys. Check end caps, check the regular section, look high and low. They're around your store, or even ask. So they're $5 a pop. Kind of expensive if you think about it. Now, if you want to scan at home to see if your store has them in inventory, here's the UPC. Now, we're going to have this stack, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 3 off of 2. And then from the Retail Me Not, now called Savings, we're going to need 2 of these, which were out in last weekend's newspaper. And it's $3 off of 1 with a limit of 2. So we're going to need 2 of these coupons. Then we're also going to grab some of these Febreze Air Effects sprays, just because they're so awesome. Please make sure you're grabbing the right ones that say Gain on it. And then from the March P&G, we're going to need 2 of these. Now, how these work, guys, is you have to scan 2 products, present a coupon, scan 2 products, present a coupon. Until the cashier presses the pay button, the balance of what you purchased and what was scanned doesn't aggregate. So it will still be $30. I know it's goofy, but you have to do this weird jog to make it happen. Because if you will scan 2 BOGOs at the very end, the way they're coded and the way these ancient cash registers work at the Dollar General, it will accept one, but not the second. So that's why you have to do that weird jog of presenting 2 Air Effects, scan a coupon, and then 2 and then 1. And I know that sounds bizarre. So if your store is like super strict, this is obviously a deal not for you. And that's why I'm saying if you're more of an experienced couponer over at the DG, you know precisely what I'm talking about, this weird jog dance thing I'm talking about. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 4 of the Febreze Gain plugs at $5 a pop is $20. And then 4 Febreze with the Gain, the Air Effects, those $3 cans is $12 on the nose. So adding those 2 numbers up, we have a total of $32. You will scan 2 Air Effects, present a coupon, scan 2 Air Effects, present a paper coupon from the March P&G. And then you'll also hand over 2 $3 off 1 coupons from the March 7th savings insert, subtracting 6 right there. And then you'll punch in your phone number somewhere along the line here. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off for you, along with the 1 3 off of 2 digital coupon. The new price point is $7 for the 8 products, or 87 cents each. So a little bit of fiddling and farting around, but when you can get this many products for $7, shaking it out to 87 cents each, that is the magic of the Dollar General. So hopefully, I know a couple of you will definitely do this one, but it is a really great little deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!